Hi everybody, it's Jessica, the Dollhouse curator, and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. So y'all, today I am here for a very special video because I have been invited to host a collaboration with three other YouTube channels that I absolutely adore. And this collaboration is the hashtag It's My Birthday. So if y'all cannot tell, I am an Aries and I am an April baby. So this collaboration was right up my alley because I have some great ideas on what I want to do this year for my birthday. So this collaboration is being hosted by myself, the Dollhouse curator, CJ with the Doll Life Official, Tracelle at Mama Doll Boss, and Laana at Laana Aries Creative Concepts. So what we are asking you all to do is to join us to celebrate the hashtag It's My Birthday collab by using MiniVerse Birthday Surprise Capsules or the MiniVerse Birthday 5-pack, or if you are cheap like me, a remix using MiniVerse Surprise Capsules that you can make a birthday scene or diorama with. So y'all, I am super excited to be joining these ladies because these are three channels that I watch pretty consistently. I tell them all the time, I go to Laana for my new stuff and my doll stories. I go to CJ for the dioramas and to see what new stuff is coming out. And I go to Mama Doll Boss for those quick, easy crafts and also whatever is upcoming. So I was so excited when these ladies reached out and invited me to help to participate and to host this collaboration with them. So thank you, ladies. So again, y'all, what we are asking y'all to do is to create a scene or a diorama using MiniVerse Birthday Surprise or the 5-pack, or if you're like me, again, I'm cheap, I'm gonna use a remix to create a birthday surprise capsule, and to have your videos posted April 28th. So we are trying to give you as much time as possible to get this done. We are inviting anyone to participate in this, but especially y'all, those Aries, those April Taurus, and those April babies. So y'all come out, not only help participate in this, but also follow us and subscribe to our channels, y'all. Those ladies are amazing in what they do, and I love watching their content. So I will have all of their information in the description box. So if y'all have not subscribed to them, definitely subscribe to them because they give the best content, y'all. Seriously, I learned so much from them and so enjoy their channel. So I was really excited that they invited me into this. And y'all know the Dollhouse curator is always gonna have a little something extra for you. So y'all, I got a whole list of stuff that I'm going to be working on this month that will be tying into the hashtag It's My Birthday collaboration challenge. We are going to be doing some MiniVerse remixes. We are going to be setting up some scenes. And y'all, I am hoping, because I don't want to leave my boys out, because Mileto, y'all know he's an April baby too. I got him not last year, but the year before for my birthday. I want to do a little bit of hot glue sewing for my god dolls because I want them to be clean and sophisticated and fabulous for my birthday. So again, y'all, this is being hosted by myself, the Dollhouse curator, CJ, the Doll Life Official, Tracelle, the Mama Doll Boss, and Laana at Laana Aries Creative Concepts. Again, it is the hashtag It's My Birthday. We are asking you to post your videos and your scenes on April 28th. Y'all know I may be late, I ain't gonna even lie, but around April 28th, and to create a scene or a diorama, again, using the MiniVerse birthday stuff. But also, y'all, we are also asking that you all tag us in the description box, tag and mention us in the description box so that we get the notifications that you all have participated so that we can see your content and be able to share your content as well. And also to put hashtag It's My Birthday in your video title. That way we can easily find them if you do forget to tag us, which I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I do forget to do. But again, I will have all of the information in the description box down below. So y'all, I don't want to hold y'all too long today because I just wanted to come in and invite y'all to participate in our collaboration. And if y'all have any questions, you can hit me, CJ, Tracelle, or Laana up in our content, in our comments, and we will be more than happy to answer those questions. And y'all be on the lookout, and I recommend you all check their channels. Go ahead and subscribe so you can get their video invite as well, because I think this is going to be really fun. And again, thank you ladies for inviting me to not only participate but to also help host in this collaboration. And y'all stay with me this month, because we are going to be doing some very fun videos, some crafts, some scene setups, and I think y'all are really going to enjoy the content, and I know I am going to have a wonderful birthday ball. So y'all make sure you like, subscribe, and share. But if you don't do any of those three, make sure you leave me comments and let me know if you all are going to be participating in the hashtag It's My Birthday YouTube Collaboration Challenge. I hope you do, and I look forward to seeing your content and getting to see all of the creativity that you all come up with. Until next time, this is Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator. Bye for now.